How to use Best Buy trade-in program. To use the Best Buy trade-in program, you could either visit a participating store or complete the process online in order to receive a Best Buy gift card. So what you need is here, you just want to make sure to go ahead and check the eligibility first of all. So you have to use the trade-in estimator to see if your item is eligible and get a preliminary quota based on its ease and conditions as well. You also have to prepare your device, that means back up all your personal data, photos, and file as well. And you have to remove account, that means sign out of iCloud or your Google account and disable Find My feature as well. As you've done that, you want to make sure to perform a factory reset to erase all the data. Note that for in-store trade, some location prefer you wait until an associated verifies the device's piece as well, and include power supplies and cable to ensure you receive the maximum trade-in value. And what you need to do is, if you want to complete the trade-in, you just have to go. If you're doing it in store, you have to bring your device and two piece of your photo ID. You have to include a valid state-issued ID to a customer service desk, and the associate will access the device and provide an immediate offer as well. If you're doing it online, you have to select your device and shipping method on the website, and Best Buy will provide a prepaid shipping label once they receive and verify the item. They will email you a Best Buy e-gift card, and you will receive a Best Buy gift card for a final asset value as well. The credit can be used for a future purchase or applied immediately if you are buying a new device in store. This way, you're supposed to use a Best Buy trade-in program. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.